Welcome to FinTech Central. This is Byte-Sized Intel, where I break down complex tech and finance topics into simple, no-fluff explanations, all in under 3 minutes. Let's get into it. So, what is 5G, and why does everyone make such a big deal about it? 5G stands for 5th generation wireless technology. It's the upgrade from 4G LTE, and it's designed to be faster, smarter, and more connected than anything before it. But what actually makes it work? 5G is powered by 3 core technologies: millimeter waves, small cells, and something called Massive MIMO. Millimeter waves are high-frequency signals that carry huge amounts of data at super-fast speeds. Traditional 4G signals travel far, but they're slower and often congested. Millimeter waves are fast, but they don't travel well through walls or long distances. To solve that, 5G uses a dense network of mini-cell towers, called small cells, installed on light poles, rooftops, and even inside buildings. Instead of one big tower covering a large area, you've got lots of tiny towers covering smaller zones. Think of it like a supercharged Wi-Fi network everywhere you go. Then comes Massive MIMO. That stands for multiple input, multiple output. It means 5G towers are packed with antennas that can send and receive data to lots of devices at the same time, without interference. It's like your phone gets its own personal data lane on a traffic-free highway. So how do these waves actually give you internet? Here's the simplified breakdown. Your phone or device has a tiny antenna. When you open an app, stream a video, or browse a site, it sends a signal request to the nearest 5G small cell tower. That tower connects to the core network, which is wired into the broader internet using fiber optic cables. Data travels from the internet to the tower, then gets transmitted through radio waves to your phone, where it's decoded in real time. With 5G, those waves carry way more data, way faster, and with barely any delay. It's like having a superhighway of invisible signals constantly delivering content into your hand, with no lag, no buffering, and no dropouts. So what does this mean for you? Streaming in 4K without interruptions, gaming with zero lag, real-time AR experiences, smart cities, and self-driving cars. Even industries like healthcare, logistics, and manufacturing are being transformed. 5G isn't just about speed, it's about unlocking the next wave of innovation across the entire economy. That's 5G in a nutshell. Millimeter waves, small cells, and Massive MIMO. That's the tech magic powering the future. This is FinTech Central, and I'll see you next time on Byte-Sized Intel.